that clearly the finance bill is an indication that the Kenya Kwanza government has waged an economic war against citizens and especially the vulnerable. You would expect that during these hard times, there would be measures to cushion the vulnerable. You would expect that food items, critical items, you remember that Azimio has been on the forefront of asking for the lowering of cost of living, actually demanding for the lowering of cost of living. This bill is a contempt card on those demands because its net effect will be to push the cost of living upwards, as has been very eloquently explained. Once you raise VAT on fuel, there's a ripple effect on virtually everything. When you tax exempt things that were zero rated, once again, the effect is pushing the prices up of essential items such as medicine, critical medicine. That, with the current status of NHIF, it means the average person will not have access to critical medicine. And in Kenya, we say families are just one sickness away from abject poverty. So when you move critical medicines to exempt, tax exempt, and push their prices up, it means this bill is going to directly cause deaths, suffering and death to many Kenyans. It also means that food will be less accessible. Already, we have a crisis of people not being able to have meals on their table. With the joblessness, with the cost of living being up, Kenyans have been shown by the Kenya Kwanza regime that they are on their own. This is happening in a context where the expenditure, non-essential expenditure for the office of the president, for the office of the deputy president, for the prime cabinet secretary, luxury items